Hey, in this video I wanted to share with you the space we built in the front yard of this home in Orange County, California, where we acted as the general contractor. Once all the grading was complete, we laid out and staked in the 2x4 redwood header. So we picked up 2x4 redwood header from Gunal Lumber. Before installing it, we soaked it in oil, and then we staked down all the redwood header throughout the front yard. Here are some shots of the project in its original condition before we started the landscape construction. Here you see the landscape filter fabric being stapled down inside the seating area we're going to be creating. So this area is going to be infilled with 3/4 inch crushed rock. The species we used here is called Copper Canyon, and we purchased that from Southwest Boulder and Stone in Fullerton, California. Yeah, it's perfect. Thank you. To make it easier to unload the rock from the back of the pickup truck, we built this chute out of plywood and 2x4s. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, including the time lapse of us installing the crushed rock. Stick around until the end to see more video of the finished product. I'll put links in the description below for the polywood chairs as well as the Copper Canyon crushed rock.